Hey there guys, this is me Hana welcoming you to yet another food video at Hanalogs. Stay tuned for these easy peasy cheesy bites. So first I'll get the dressing ready and keep it aside. To a bowl I've added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and have added some ketchup and about half a teaspoon of oregano. At this point you can add black pepper powder, paprika and other seasoning too. My kids are young and they prefer it without it, so we sprinkle black pepper individually as we go with it. So I'm filling it in my DIY piping bag for a little fancy touch. You can easily go ahead with a spoon. I'm going to be using 2 varieties of cheese and I'm going to cut them into squares and cubes. So the hero of this dish are the Ritz crackers. You can use any salt crackers you find around your place. As you've already seen, for my toppings I'm using all simple and readily available ingredients: some chopped tomato and onion, some corn, and a chopped kiwi cheese cube, some parsley for garnish. So this last minute canapé recipe is actually meant for last minute, or else the cracker will turn soggy. So call it a quick iftar snack, a kid's party starter snack, or even a Netflix binge watching snack. Trust me, when you will try this, you're gonna be left wanting more. These little munchies are delicious and you're gonna have a flavor party in your mouth. Do try these out and I'm pretty positive that you're gonna love it. Also do share your interesting spin on these canapes. Just wanna quickly slide in a gentle appeal really off topic. The COVID cases are on the rise yet again. Please take all the necessary precautions and maintain social distancing like never before. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. And yeah, until I see you next time, I dearly hope you stay safe. Please do like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.